Yo, minasan, Geki desu ka? Shotogatsu desu, showing toys, geeking hard stuff just for you. For this episode, we have a very special one. We have two Beyblades. The Buster Dran, or Dran Buster, how is known on the TT, and the infamous Wizard Rod, aka Wonder Wizard. So, without further ado, let's open. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, the parts. Damn it. Where's my knife? Wait. Oh well. With a rod. It's an now Dran Buster. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Beast. Is this longer? Okay, let's see. Oops. Okay, we have these very cool Beyblades. I must say this. So it's time to assemble them. Finally, they are done. They feel massive. They feel heavy. No wonder they are considered good Beyblades. Okay, I'm gonna try assemble the base stadium. So wait for me a little. Okay, the stadium is set. Now I'm gonna try to launch it. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot! Whoa. It looks cool. Now it's time for rod. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Very cool Beyblades. Oh, you seem to have some company here. Look at this bastard. Don't touch the ripcord. Well, that's it. Dran Buster with a rod. I hope you liked this episode. Until next time. Johnny.